All right, hey guys, ready for your $20? I'm going to show you how to get it here on this website. This website is called Naughty Dog SEO, NADIDOGSEO.com. And it has the top 10 legitimate work at home opportunities that you can get started to as soon as today. Um, and it's on Google, Yahoo, MSN, Bing, YouTube, Dig, uh, all over the place. Has the top work at home opportunities. Check it out, and then I'll walk you through how to get your free $20 on as well. They have email processing jobs, legit flex jobs, survey club. Some of these are actually really good, free, um, legitimate 30-minute work, paid social media jobs. It's getting pretty big. Same with app testing. If you have the ability to test apps, pretty simple. Just takes a couple steps and you're good. Um, then you come down to here, right underneath the six and this in between the 6 and 7. It's free $20. Just click this, and right here, and you'll go to another page, and I'll walk you through that page here in just a second after I'm done, kind of going over the Naughty Dog SEO webpage, just as a promotional thing. Paid surveys, 10 ways to make $100 a day, no cost income stream, and teaching jobs or tutoring jobs as well. Kind of goes over both. And the last, before I get to that free $20, if you post stuff on YouTube or anything like that, this is a good thing to watch. Okay, it shows you how to get on the first page of Google and YouTube. It's a software. It's super awesome. Okay, helps really good. All right, so check that out as well. So let's get back to it. So go up to here. There will also be a link in the descriptions to Naughty Dog SEO. So you can come to here. So, all right, click here, and I will walk you through it here in just a second, the next step. Okay?